Hey, okay, moisture in the car. Problem, right? Okay. Gonna try a car dehumidifier. I had put some stuff in the car, like a salt that would collect moisture, and then you have to move it and dump the water. A little leery of that, and then you got to keep putting salt in there. So I used the other stuff because I had it. It worked great. It's the first time I ever got in my car, and the windows weren't fogged. Yay. So I'm into the dehumidifiers. But I'm going to go with the more car. This is terrible in this light because you guys can't see their package is very shiny. Extreme. It's not for, it's not for the best for photographic purposes, but it's because of the clay in the cardboard. But anyway, these guys. Car dehumidifier. Okay, you throw it under your seat. There's a blue dot. When it gets wet, it turns red. Then you microwave it, and when it comes out of the microwave, apparently it's super hot after being there for 6 minutes. There's warnings not to touch it until it's, cools down. I would have never known that. I would have reached right in there and just, McDonald's! Yeah. It's ready for use. So I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to throw it on the seat of my car, and I'm going to forget about it. Probably not. I'll probably check it, like, every morning. Anyway, I don't know. The box is taped closed in two areas. The top and, I think, the side? Yes, the side. Well, that's the top and the side together. And there was another piece of tape somewhere. The bottom. Anyway, I'm just going to take this tape off. Real stylish like and not even slightly stress out the box. I did. Super complicated. Take it out, right? Car Dehumidifier LV-A300 operating instructions. Anyway, I've never tried the car dehumidifiers before. I tried the one, it did it, my windows are dry, there was wet, moist carpet, the carpet's moist, but that one takes a lot of maintenance and attention, so this one looks like it can get hot. The maximum is 6 minutes in the microwave, this side down, 600 watt microwave only. Those of you with those 1,000 watt microwaves out there, sorry, I'm kidding, seriously. It says 600 watts, so maybe it has to be minimum. I don't know. I don't know everything. Nobody does. Dear customer, thank you for purchasing the original Zarpax quality product. Please carefully read these instructions before getting started and keep them for future reference. This will ensure optimal performance and safe use of your product. Goods International, my bad. Sorry, please visit our website at, can we give them a whole shout out? Maybe if they did a bitter, no, I'm kidding. Zarpax, ZARPAX.com. I haven't even been there yet, but I'm going to go and be like, hey dude, check it out, I made your video. It is illegal. What? Okay. It's illegal to drive if you stack these up and block the window. If they impede your view. Okay, anyway, microwave drying. I'm not going to read this because I don't want anybody saying I killed myself and burned myself to death because he didn't read me the instructions on this. So, read the microwaving instructions. Just saying, if you don't know how to use a microwave and all that stuff, it's raining. Yay. I love the rain. Anyway, the dehumidifiers do work. I was shocked. I got in a car and the windows weren't fogged up like they would normally be fogged up. But the car is drier. This one has a little thing to indicate whether it needs to be microwaved or not. This turns red, as indicated on the package. Seems cool. It's not that heavy. I mean, I have to weigh it and add it to the weight factor of my car because I'm anal like that. And then I got to find something else to take out that weighs this much. Otherwise, it won't drive right. But that's me. Passenger seat. Okay, check this out. Important, okay? Don't put this under the driver's seat. If it goes out when you hit the brakes and it slides out or something, and it gets under a pedal and you push your pedal down and it blocks it from going all the way down, I mean, I'm not sure. If your pedals only have this much throw, then maybe you should do something about the brakes. But anything under your driver's seat, because it'll come out and maybe get under your pedals when you're trying to brake. Dangerous. So I strongly recommend passenger seat, under the seat, never under the driver's seat with anything. And maybe not even under the seat, maybe on your dash, but it says block the view. But I don't want this on my dash. I don't know why. I'm kidding. How long is this? Did I do it again? Ooh, I did. Okay, I'm sorry, blah, 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 pillow people. Thank you for your product. Yay. They didn't send it to me, I bought it, but, you know, thank you for making it, so I bought it. But let's say where it's, does it, yeah. I didn't check out where it was made. Oh no, I know. I did. I saw it on the box. Taiwan, no shit. Holland, I think, is where the Netherlands is where it was engineered. The design, some thought of. I thought that was an interesting thing to point out. Okay, made in Taiwan, designed in the Netherlands. Wherever the Netherlands are. I'm kidding, I know where they are, but Scandinavian Peninsula.